Today, we're diving into VideoExpress AI, a platform that turns your imagination into motion. From generating videos with prompts to transforming static images into dynamic clips, this tool promises unlimited creativity. But how well does it actually perform? Join us as we explore its main features, test different movement scenarios, and discover whether VideoExpress AI truly lives up to the promise of credit-free, limitless video creation. Let's find out how powerful this platform really is. If you want to get access to this platform, you'll find a link in the description of this video. Plus, you'll also receive special bonus prompts, but only for those who purchase VideoExpress AI through the link in the description below. When testing the Create Video from Prompt option, the process begins with generating an image from text. It's simple. You write a description, and the AI instantly crafts a corresponding image. Once the image is ready, the platform smoothly transitions into video generation. The interface is surprisingly intuitive, even for beginners, allowing creativity to flow naturally. This step-by-step process makes it ideal for artists, marketers, and content creators who want to bring static ideas to life without needing complex video editing skills. We experimented with different prompts, testing both simple and complex movements. For instance, we created characters running, jumping, and performing various exercises. Interestingly, the results varied depending on motion complexity. Simpler actions like running looked more natural, while more intricate movements, such as stretching or squatting, required a few adjustments in the prompts. This showed that while the AI is powerful, prompt precision significantly affects the final outcome. In this stage, patience and creativity truly pay off. Another fascinating discovery was how video duration affected motion speed. We found that 4-second clips displayed faster, more energetic movements. On the other hand, 8-second clips, especially when using the Video Length Booster option, appeared smoother and slower. This difference is crucial for those who want to control pacing and realism. It means users can experiment with timing to achieve more cinematic results, depending on the story or feeling they want to convey in the final animation. In addition to motion control, the platform offers flexibility with unlimited video generation. This means creators can experiment freely without worrying about running out of credits. Many AI tools limit creativity by charging for every attempt, making experimentation costly. However, VideoExpress AI stands out by removing that barrier. You can refine your prompts endlessly, try new concepts, and perfect every scene without any financial restriction, which enhances productivity and innovation. One challenge we noticed was that the generated results sometimes lacked precise interpretation of complex prompts. The platform might not fully capture nuanced descriptions, especially when combining multiple actions or detailed scenes. For instance, prompts with multiple characters performing different exercises could result in mixed or incomplete animations. Still, since there's no credit system, users can tweak and retry freely until they achieve the desired visual. This flexibility compensates for minor prompt-related inaccuracies. Ultimately, the Create Video from Prompt tool shines for those who enjoy experimentation. It allows users to build animated scenes from pure imagination. Even when results aren't perfect on the first try, the platform's freedom to iterate makes the process engaging and educational. It encourages learning how to communicate better with AI through refined prompts, which becomes an essential creative skill for future digital artists. The image-to-video feature offers a different, yet equally fascinating experience. Instead of starting from text, you upload an existing image and watch it come to life through motion. This is ideal for users who already have visual assets, like character designs, portraits, or product mock-ups, and want to add movement. The platform's AI analyzes the uploaded image and generates dynamic clips, maintaining the original aesthetic while infusing lifelike animation. It's a fast and efficient way to enhance visuals without needing external animation software. We tested various images, from running figures to athletes performing exercises. The AI successfully captured motion direction and energy for simple movements like jogging or turning. However, complex poses, such as intricate gym routines, sometimes resulted in exaggerated or unnatural motion. This variation highlights both the promise and the current limitation of the technology. It can create stunning animations quickly, but achieving realism may require prompt refinement or careful image selection. Despite this, results were impressive for a no-credit, unlimited-use tool. Another noteworthy observation was how movement timing behaved similarly to the prompt-based videos. The shorter 4-second clips emphasized quick, lively motion, while the 8-second videos, enhanced through the Video Length Booster, produced smoother, more cinematic animation. This feature allows creators to adapt pacing based on context. Short clips work well for energetic social media posts, while longer ones feel more natural for storytelling or educational content. The flexibility in clip duration significantly improves creative control. What truly elevates VideoExpress AI above many competitors is its unlimited usage model. Many AI video platforms operate on credit systems, where every generation attempt, successful or not, consumes credits. This structure discourages experimentation and punishes trial and error. Here, however, users can explore, fail, and improve continuously. It turns learning and creativity into a stress-free experience, especially when prompts or images don't produce the expected results the first time. Freedom from credit limits fosters innovation. Of course, no platform is perfect. There are moments when generated videos don't fully align with expectations, particularly with ambiguous or overly complex prompts. Some animations might need refinement to look more fluid or consistent. However, because users aren't charged per attempt, these imperfections become opportunities for practice rather than frustrations. With time and experimentation, the results improve dramatically, showing how human creativity and AI collaboration evolve together. In conclusion, the image-to-video feature complements the Create Video from Prompt option beautifully. One transforms words into motion, the other gives life to static visuals. Together, they form a complete creative toolkit for anyone seeking fast, customizable animation. Whether you're crafting content for business, education, or entertainment, VideoExpress AI empowers users to experiment endlessly and bring imagination to life without boundaries or credit worries. After extensive testing, VideoExpress AI proves to be an impressive, accessible platform for AI-driven video generation. Both Create Video from Prompt and Image to Video offer unique ways to visualize ideas, balancing simplicity with powerful creative control. The ability to generate unlimited videos without worrying about credits makes it a standout option among AI tools. While prompts may need refining, the platform encourages continuous learning through experimentation. For creators, marketers, or storytellers, this tool opens new doors to expression. Its speed, flexibility, and affordability redefine how we approach animation, showing how accessible AI creativity has become. VideoExpress AI may not always be perfect, but it's consistently inspiring. Remember, if you want to get access to this platform, you'll find a link in the description of this video. Plus, you'll also receive special bonus prompts, but only for those who purchase VideoExpress AI through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into VideoExpress AI, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like us to test next. Your feedback helps us keep exploring the most exciting tools in AI creativity. See you in the next video!